It's a little, I just have to be careful. I haven't knit for a while. I just crochet now. I'm crocheting, I have currently 4 projects on the road. There's a lot more at home that are not finished. I have a scarf that needs like one little thing, and a kid's jumper that needs one little thing. I just started an elf for Christmas, and I got a mosaic, a long-term mosaic tapestry pillow. So I have a suitcase just for my crochet. I hate to admit it, but it's true. So I did not go to any yarn stores today because I'm full. Say what? Next time. Well, I mean, any questions or anything you want to? Yeah, it's been a ride since the chocolate drops. That's definitely the relationship I've had here, is coming with the chocolate drops to the Arc and moving here. We did the festival one year, coming back a lot, and I love those relationships with towns and people, you know. And it's been one, really, I feel very blessed that people have kind of followed me into where I've gone, and it has been a crazy journey. I feel very, like I said, I just feel really lucky. The drops, you know, we did our thing and we got to the end, and everybody's doing really cool things, you know, who's been involved with the drops. Now there's finally some other Black string bands kind of coming together. It's very exciting. So it's good to feel like I was a part of something that is a part of a movement, but don't feel beholden to have to keep it going as a commercial concern. It was important to us to leave it where it needed to be, which is in a lot of young Black string band players' bios. I remember when I first started the chocolate drops, you know, which is an amazing gift. And since then, I've just been afforded a lot of really amazing opportunities that I feel really lucky that I've been able to do, and the people that I'm getting to work with. So I'm very content, not with the state of the world, but with the state of my career. It's like I get more content with what I'm doing and less content with what's happening all around. It never goes together.
Hi. Can you hear me?
A little, say what?
All right. Hi.
Hi.
The opera, Omar.
Yes.
Is that music available?
We're working on it. The score has been kind of in flux a little bit because we've had the very unusual opportunity of having multiple performances. Because a lot of times when an opera goes up, that's it. Like a new one, you get one, or you get it at one house, and then maybe you get 2 years, and maybe it goes to another house. And we've had multiple ones in a year, so I think we're now kind of finalizing the music in sheet music form, so the score will be available for the public, and then hopefully we can get a recording, but they're just very expensive. So that's whatever else the Pulitzer means, I'm hoping that it might help somebody open up a wallet. You would think, but like, you can't really expect, I don't know, it's like opera, it's in a changing world, and the people who support opera, you know, it's like the demographics are changing, so we're trying to change that, trying to get more people, you know, into it as an art form, which I think is happening from other walks of life. But yeah, I can't make it happen. I did what I could, you know. And I really hope that it does get recorded.